Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a very cool machine. It had came in for the machine was not heating, the boiler. This is a heat exchanger, so the only boiler in there is a steam boiler, and it was just not heating up. What I found is actually the safety switch right here. Actually, the connection between the two connections here were not working. Even the button doesn't want to press in, so it's not tripped. So you just had to replace that safety stat. This is allowing the machine or the heating element to receive power or not receive power, so once it broke, it wasn't allowing power to go to the heating elements. On top of that, we did a tune-up on the entire machine. There was quite a lot of scale in this one, so we had to descale it quite a bit in the steam boiler, and then of course the heat exchanger. Also drain out the boiler afterwards to get all of the descaler out as much as possible. We did service the group head also by backflushing the machine, replacing shower screen and gasket, just around the group head. And now we're going to test the machine. As you can see, we're going to put steam on here. Steam's going to be really good now that we figured out a bit of that scale. We also cleaned the water level probe that was on the steam boiler, so you should be getting the right amount of water filling your boiler at any given time. We're going to pour a little bit of hot water out. We can do it in the tray. Working really well. You're going to hear the pump kick on. You might. And we're going to put this shot in here. Don't worry if it runs a little too slow or a little too fast. We don't calibrate the grinders to these machines. We just want to make sure that it does brew, it does push water through the coffee. So we're going to let it run. There you go. It's going to go higher and higher on the gauge. So we put a little too much coffee. You could kind of see on the right there. It's actually pushing pretty high, but that's just how fine the coffee is and how much coffee we put in there. But it is coming out pretty good, even at that high pressure. Turn it off. Pull the shot out. We're just going to show how much volume does come out of the group head at once. Pull this lever. As you can see, a nice steady stream coming out of the group head. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.